Did you know that ancient legends and mythical creatures like dragons can bring you hundreds of thousands of views without ever showing your face on camera? This niche is packed with storytelling and mystery, which keeps viewers hooked for minutes or even hours. And that watch time means more revenue for you. The best part is, you don't need to appear on camera at all. With your creativity and the help of AI, you can create full videos from scratch. And because this niche is full of endless ideas and topics, you can easily produce a new video every single day. A great example of a successful channel in this niche is Mysteries of Mythology. With just 96 videos, they've reached 50,000 subscribers, and some of their uploads have passed over 200,000 views. According to Social Blade, the channel also earns a solid monthly income. So the real question is, how can you create this kind of content? In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything from finding the right topics to the final editing stage, step by step, from 0 to 100. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's watch a short demo of the video we're about to create. Let's get started.
In the hush of an early dawn, when the river still clings to the night's last threads of darkness and the mist coils like pale smoke above the water's surface, there is a moment when the world feels older than time, when the echoes of ancient stories drift just beneath the rippling current. And when the old ones say that if you listen closely, you may hear the rhythmic pulse of something vast and patient moving below, something that glides with the slow certainty.
Finding a topic. The first step in creating a video is finding engaging topics that make viewers want to click. You have many ways to discover great ideas and themes. One method is to go on Google and search something like Irish mythical creatures. As you can see, tons of related websites appear, and you can open them, read through the stories, and each legend can turn into a separate video for you. But to make things easier, I've simplified this process. Just open the doc file I've linked in the description, copy the title prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. GPT instantly generates a list of 15 ideas for you, each with the potential to go viral. And if you don't like the ideas, all you have to do is say, "Give me more ideas," and GPT will generate a brand new list for you. With this method, you'll always have access to an unlimited source of professional content ideas. Now let's move on to the next step,
writing the script. Now that we've found our ideas, it's time to write a professional script for the video. When writing your script, always add your own creativity and take inspiration from successful channels in this niche so your storytelling feels engaging and high quality. To create the script, go back to the doc file and copy the script prompt section, then paste it into GPT. At the beginning of the prompt, there's a designated place where you'll enter your chosen title or topic. For example, I'm choosing idea number 15. I copy it, paste it into that section, and hit enter. GPT will instantly start generating a polished professional script just like the ones top channels use. If you need more script, simply type part 2 and press enter. GPT will ask you for the ending portion of the previous script so it can continue exactly where it left off. I copy the final lines of the script, paste them in, hit enter, and GPT continues writing the next section seamlessly. After it's done, make sure to read through your script and fix any mistakes or parts you want to improve. Now, it's time to move on to the next step. Now it's time to create the voiceover. My usual recommendation is this. If you have a good voice that fits the style of your content, definitely record the script yourself. But if you don't want to or simply prefer using AI, you can easily create a professional voiceover. Just go to Google and search DuckDub AI and click on the first trusted link. Log in with your Google account, and on the next page, click on AI voiceover to access the voice creation tool. In the voices section, you can listen to different voice options and choose the one you like. For even faster results, you can open the scary content category to explore voices that naturally match horror-style videos. For example, I'm choosing the Jason Hollow voice. Now we go back to GPT, copy the section of the script we want to use, and paste it into DuckDub. To keep this tutorial short, I'm only using a small portion of the script. After pasting it, click Generate and let the AI create the voiceover. A couple of minutes later, your audio will be ready. Finally, you can download it from the export section in either MP3 or WAV format. Creating images. Now we're moving on to one of the most exciting parts of the process, creating custom visuals for your video. My advice is to never copy successful channels. Just take inspiration and use your creativity to make something unique and stand out. To start, open the doc file, copy the image prompt section, and paste it into GPT. Hit enter, and GPT will immediately start generating image prompts tailored to your script, giving you an initial set of 15 prompts. Of course, you can ask for as many prompts as you want. You can even do what I did for the voiceover. Copy just a section of your script and ask GPT to create 15 new image prompts specifically for that part. It will quickly generate precise prompts for that specific section. To create the images, copy your generated prompt, go to Google and search for image FX. Once you're on the site, paste your prompt and click create. In just a few moments, stunning professional quality images will be ready. Image FX is completely free and allows you to produce high quality, eye-catching visuals. Repeat this process for all sections of your script to generate custom and cohesive images for your entire video. Editing. Now we've reached the final step, editing. But before we jump into editing, I want to show you how to create a professional thumbnail. Just go back to your doc file, copy the thumbnail prompt section, and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and it will instantly generate a professional thumbnail prompt for you. Copy that prompt, go to Leonardo AI, paste it, set the YouTube size, choose the Lucid Origin model, and click generate. In just a few moments, professional thumbnails will be ready to use. Now let's move on to editing. I use the desktop version of CapCut. Open the program and click Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Then go to Import and add all your images and audio files. Start with your audio file by placing it on the timeline. If there are long silences, remove them manually. My audio didn't have many silences, so I only trimmed the start and end. Next, add your images to the timeline. Make sure each image aligns with your narration. Each part of the audio should match a relevant visual. If the sample video isn't perfectly synced, it's only because I wanted to keep the tutorial concise and focus on demonstrating the process. Once all images are on the timeline, it's time to add a visual effect. I used the Noise 2 effect to create little white specks, giving a spooky cinematic feel to the video. Then we move to transitions. I used black fade to create smooth, dark transitions between images, applying it to all visuals. Now it's time for captions. Go to the Caption tab and click Generate. Depending on the video length, it may take a few moments for the captions to appear. Once they're ready, make sure to proofread for typos or errors. From the template section, you can experiment with different styles, or like me, use the Basic tab to manually customize the appearance of your captions. Next is background music. Go to YouTube Audio Library and set your filters. I set the genre to cinematic and mood to dark to find music that fits my video's atmosphere. Listen to a few tracks and download the ones you like. For example, I chose Twin Lynches. Import it into CapCut, place it on the timeline, trim any extra parts, and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't clash with the main audio. And that's it! Your video is ready and you can export it at the highest quality. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for new videos and even more exciting niches. I'll be back soon with a brand new tutorial.
In the hush of an early dawn, when the river still clings to the night's last threads of darkness and the mist coils like pale smoke above the water's surface, there is a moment when the world feels older than time, when the echoes of ancient stories drift just beneath the rippling current, and when the old ones say that if you listen closely, you may hear the rhythmic pulse of something vast and patient moving below, something that glides with the slow certainty of a creature that has existed since the first waters carved their paths across the earth. It is here, along the quiet bends of rivers that seem to breathe with their own memory, that the legend of the horned serpent first rises, shimmering through the boundary between myth and reality, wrapped in the deep cultural roots of Native American storytelling, sacred symbolism, and the primal awe that humans have always felt toward the untamed forces of the natural world. The horned serpent, known by many names across many nations, such as Uktena among the Cherokee, Piasau among Algonquian peoples, and Mishipeshu, or the underwater panther among Great Lakes tribes, is not merely a monster in the simplistic sense of the word.